Tired of dead phones ruining your day? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh, your ultimate power solution for 2025 and beyond. This incredible portable charger keeps your devices juiced, capable of charging an iPhone over 6 times on a single charge. With its massive 20,000 mAh capacity, it's perfect for long trips, busy days, or powering multiple devices without a worry. What makes it truly special is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology, intelligently optimizing charging speed for any device you plug in, delivering the fastest possible charge. Need to charge 2 devices at once? No problem. The dual USB ports mean you can power up your phone and tablet simultaneously. Anker is renowned for reliability, and this power bank delivers consistent, fast, and safe charging every single time. Forget scrambling for outlets. This essential gadget ensures you stay connected wherever life takes you. If you're looking to buy the best portable power bank, the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is an absolute game changer. Check out the link in the description below to grab yours on Amazon today. For unparalleled freedom from low battery anxiety, I highly recommend the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh. It's simply the best portable charger you can get.